lesson we have for topic 2 is another subtraction lesson. We are going to be subtracting across zeros. So we're going to take what we did yesterday and apply it to today's lesson. London, England is 15,710 kilometers from the South Pole. Tokyo, Japan is 13,953 kilometers from the South Pole. How much farther is London than Tokyo from the South Pole? Well, again, how much farther, I'm finding the difference. So I know right away I am subtracting. Just like we did yesterday, we put the larger number on top, which is 15,710. We are subtracting 13,953. When we're subtracting, we want to make sure the number on top has more. So 0 minus 3. I cannot do that. So I need to go next door and get 10 more. I'm going to take the 10 away, change that to a 0, put it over on my 0 and get 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now let's think here. 0 minus 5. Well, there's more on the floor, so I cannot do this, which means I need to go next door and get 10 more. So I'm taking one away here, I'm changing the 7 to a 6, and I'm going to add that to this 0. Changing the 0 to a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 9. Again, I cannot do this because there is more on the floor. So I'm going to go next door and get 10 more. I take one away. I add the 10 over here. 16 minus 9 gives us 7. 4 minus 3 I can do, which gives us 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1,757 kilometers. Now, in order to check this, I might use what's called the inverse operation, which we have talked about. So I'm going to take 1,757, and the opposite operation of subtraction would be addition. So I'm going to add the two smaller numbers just to make sure that my answer is correct. So if I have 13,953, and I add 1,757, my answer should be our first digit, our digit on the top. So 3 plus 7 is 10. I need to regroup. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. I need to regroup. 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 1, 17. I need to regroup. 1 plus 3 plus 1 gives us 5, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So my answer, 15,710, matches the answer that we initially started with, so I know that I subtracted correctly.